Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning, I bid to all of you. Alright, for today's topic, we are going to learn about telling the time. Memberitahu masa. Sometimes orang tanya awak, what time is it? Sekarang pukul berapa? So you have to know how to reply. Kan, mesti tahu macam mana nak balas mula. Okay, now let us watch this video first.
Emily, do you know what time it is?
No. What time is it?
It's pizza time.
Yum.
Hey, wait. Today we're going to learn how to tell the time with the pizza.
Oh, okay.
Okay, before we start, we have to know a couple of things.
This is a clock, right?
Yes. And these are its hands. The little hand shows us the hours, and the big hand shows us the minutes. When the big hand is pointing to the 12, we say it's o'clock. Now it's 4 o'clock. So, Emily, what's the time now?
Now it's 5 o'clock.
Very good. When the big hand is pointing to the 3, we say it's quarter past.
Why do we say it's quarter past?
Because a quarter of the hour has passed. So, what's the time?
Now it's 5:15.
Perfect. When the big hand is pointing to the 6, we say it's half past.
Because half of the hour has passed. So now it's 5:30.
Fantastic. And finally, when the big hand is on the 9, we say it's quarter to.
So now it's 5:45.
Perfect. But what happened when the big hand isn't on the 12, the 3, the 6, or the 9?
I don't know.
Well, we count the minutes in fives. So now it's 5 past 6. It's 10 past 6. It's quarter past 6.
It's 20 past 6. It's 25 past 6. It's 6:30.
Wait a minute. After half past, it changes. Then we count how many minutes there are before the next hour. It's 25 to 7. It's 20 to 7.
I see. It's 6:45. It's 10 to 7.
That's right.
What time is it? I'm hungry.
It's pizza o'clock.
Yes.
We hope you have fun learning to tell the time with us.
Goodbye.
Remember to tell the time. When the big hand is on the 12, we say it's o'clock. When the big hand is on the 3, we say it's quarter past. When the big hand is on the 6, we say it's half past. When the big hand is on the 9, we say it's quarter to. For other times, we count the minutes in fives. That's it. Now you can practice telling the time.
Okay, based on the video that you just watched just now, okay, basically, okay, a clock has a clock face. Okay, setiap jam ada dia punya face, ada muka dia. Okay, so it's going to begin with number 1 until number 12. Mula dengan nombor 1 sampai nombor 12. This one is a standard for every clock. Setiap jam, inilah paparan yang standard. Okay. Then, okay, another important thing adalah the hands, tangan dia. Okay. Alright. So basically, okay, we have two hands. Kita ada dua tangan. First, short hand, and another one is long hand. Okay. Long hand tells the minutes. Tangan yang panjang ini memberitahu tentang minit. Okay. Meanwhile, the short tells the hours. Yang pendek menunjukkan arah, menunjukkan jam. Okay. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So every time, okay, the clock, the hand moves, okay, for 1 round, okay, it equal to 60 minutes. Okay, setiap kali jam itu berpusing pada satu putaran, dia adalah bersamaan dengan 60 minit. Okay. Alright. Okay, first we're going to see this one. Okay, the term o'clock. Okay, biasa kan dengan perkataan o'clock. Okay, bila kita menggunakan o'clock, okay, itu menunjukkan, okay, long hands pointed to number 12. Jarum minit ini menunjukkan pada tepat pada nombor 12. Okay. Okay, tak kisahlah shorthand ini berada di mana-mana. Okay. Dia akan menggunakan istilah o'clock. Okay. Let's say for this example, untuk contoh yang ini, tengok jarum yang panjang ini pointed to number 12, meanwhile the shorthand, okay, jarum yang pendek ini pointed to number 1. Dia tunjuk ke arah nombor 1. Okay. So for this one, we're going to say the number for the shorthand first. Okay, untuk o'clock ni kita akan baca nombor yang ada pada tangan yang pendek dahulu. Okay. Like for this example is number 1. So number 1 followed by the word o'clock. Okay. Okay, let's say lah kalau shorthand ini pointed to number 8. So kita akan sebut dia sebagai 8 o'clock. Kalau lah dia pointed to number 6, so dia akan jadi 6 o'clock. Alright. Easy peasy kan? Easy peasy squeezy. Right, we move to the next one. Okay, the next one, the term that you have to know is quarter past. Okay, quarter past ni dalam bahasa Melayu maksud dia suku. Imagine that you buy a pizza, okay, yang small one tu, okay, dia bahagi kepada 4. So kalau awak makan one section, dia dah awak makan suku 1/4 lah, 1/4. Okay, in English, okay, we call this quarter. Suku dalam bahasa Inggeris kita panggil dia quarter. So tadi jarum daripada pukul 12, jarum minit the long hands move from number 12 to number 3. Okay, sebab dia move clockwise. Okay, the move kepada nombor 3. So when the long hand pointed to number 3, okay, we're going to mention this word first, quarter past, then followed by the number on the shorthand. Okay, ini number 1, ini number 2. For example, in this example, dalam contoh ini, okay, shorthand pointed to number 1, okay, long hand pointed to number 3, so we're going to call it as quarter past 1. Okay, kalau yang sebelum ini kita sebut nombor jarum pendek dulu, tapi bila dah sampai jarum pendek tu menunjukkan kepada nombor 3 dan seterusnya. Okay, bukan nombor 3 sajalah, lepas daripada pukul 12 tu. Okay, contohlah nanti kita akan tengok pada hujung nanti. Okay, so dia akan sebut pada perkataan ini dulu, perkataan pada jarum panjang dulu, barulah pada nombor yang pendek. Okay, remember that. Okay, quarter past 1. Let's say, katakanlah, okay, shorthand ini pointed to number 10. Okay, so how do we go? How are we going to tell the time? Kalaulah jarum pendek ini menunjukkan kepada nombor 10, so we're going to call it, ataupun we're going to say it as quarter past 10. Okay, alright. Okay, we move. Okay, another word that you have to remember is half past. Okay, half past ni kalau dalam bahasa Melayu dia maksud dia adalah setengah, setengah jam. Okay, sebab half ini maksud dia separuh ataupun setengah. So bila kita nak gunakan half past ni, okay, when are we going to use half past? Half past ni we use when the long hand pointed to number 6. Apabila jarum panjang ini menunjukkan ke arah nombor 6. Okay. Okay, so daripada tadi dia move, from number 3 to number 6. Kan? Okay, so just like quarter past, okay, in half past kita pun akan sebut perkataan half past dulu, followed by the number on the shorthand. Okay, kalaulah macam ni, okay, you see it is in the middle kan, dia tak tunjukkan kepada pukul 1 ni. Okay, dia menunjukkan kepada tengah-tengah ni, sebab jarum ni akan bergerak ni. Okay, but we're going to use the number beforehand. Kita akan menggunakan nombor yang sebelumnya. Okay. Okay, for this one, in this scenario, the time now is 1:30. Maksud dia sekarang ini adalah pukul 1:30. 1:30. Let's say if the shorthand is pointed to here. Terpanjang pula. Shorthand pointed here. Okay, so how are you going to say the time? Okay, so the time is 3:30. Kalau dia menunjukkan ke sini, jadi 3:30 sebab kita tengok pada nombor yang sebelumnya. Okay, faham kan? Right. Next, we're going to move to the next word is quarter quarter to. Tadi kita kalau jarum itu berada di nombor 3, jarum panjang berada di nombor 3, if the long hand point to number 3, we call it as quarter past. But if the long hand pointed to number 9, kalaulah yang jarum panjang ini menunjukkan kepada nombor 9, okay, we're going to use the word quarter to. But this is going to be different from the previous one. Okay, from what we have learned before. Okay, ini berbeza dengan apa yang kita dah belajar sebelum ini. Okay. Okay, for this scenario, okay, untuk situasi ini, okay, so now you look at this shorthand. Tengok pada shorthand ni. Okay. Ni number 1. Next kita baru tengok pada shorthand. Okay, shorthand pointed to between 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, apabila, okay, when the number has when the long hands move after number 6, okay, apabila jarum yang panjang ni dah bergerak selepas nombor 6, okay, kita bagi dia satu barrier lah. Okay, from 6 to here, okay, sampailah dia sebelum pukul 12 ni. Alright, okay, we are going to use the word to. Nanti kita akan tengok lagi. Okay, for this scenario, we call it as quarter to 2. Kita tak gunakan quarter to 1. Kita kena tengok nombor yang akan datang selepas dia. Macam tadi, kalau pas kita tengok pada nombor sebelum dia kan. Tapi bila ada perkataan to, okay, kita akan look forward for the next number. Kita akan tengok pada nombor yang akan datang selepas itu. Okay, for this scenario, for example, we call it as quarter to 2. Maksud dia adalah 15 minit lagi pukul 2. Okay, let's say if I move the shorthand to number 4. Oh my, I'm sorry. To number 4 here. Panjang sangat. Shorter. Just imagine lah like that. Okay, if the shorthand pointed to here, that means the time is quarter to 5. Okay, did you get it? I hope so. Okay, so basically a clock we can divide into 4. Okay, kita akan bagikan kepada 4 lah. Okay, quarter, half, quarter, o'clock. Okay, and this one, okay, kalau kita letakkan satu garisan di tengah-tengah ni, okay, if you make a straight line in the middle, okay, we're going to spread between past and to. Kita akan memisahkan perkataan past dengan to. Okay, whenever the minutes hand, jarum minit itu berada between this side. Okay, dekat belah kanan, on the right side. Okay, we are going to use the word past. If the minute hands is on the left side, okay, we are going to use the word to. In details, okay, secara detailnya, it's going to be like this. O'clock, okay, number 1, kalau dalam minit, dia jadi 5. 5, 10, quarter, 20, 25, half, 35, 20, quarter, 10, 5. O'clock. Okay, I repeat. O'clock, 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, half past, 25 to, 22, quarter to, 10 to, and 5 to. Okay. For example, okay, contohlah, kalaulah longhand ini, okay, pointed to number 1. Okay, yang shorthand ni kekal kat sini number 8. Okay, so how are you going to tell the time? If I ask you what time is it, so you have to say the time now is 5 past 8. Okay, kita akan sebut dia punya jarum minit dulu, baru jarum jam. Okay, let's say, katakanlah, okay, I pointed to number 10 here, and the shorthand is somewhere here. Okay, what time is it? So the time is, ataupun it is, what? 10 to 9. Is it okay? Okay, to try another one. Okay, let's say the longhand pointed to number 20. Okay, and the shorthand is at here lah. Still remain at number 8. Masih lagi dekat nombor 8. Okay, how are we going to say the time? Okay, the time is 20 past 8. Okay. Alright, it's okay. Okay, now let us look at this one. Okay, can you tell me the time? What time is it? Yes, it is 4 o'clock. Good. Next, what time is it? It is 12:30. Okay, because longhand is pointed to number 6 and the shorthand is between number 12 and number 1. Okay, but we're going to use the number beforehand. Okay, yang sebelum tu. Okay, next, what time is it? Okay, now we look at this one. The long hand is pointed to number 9 and the short hand is almost to number 12. So what time it is? It is 11:45. Alright. Next. Okay. What time is it? Now we look at this long hand is pointed to number 3 and the short hand is pointed to number 12. So what time is it? So it is 12:15. Alright. So now, bonus. What time is it? So dia punya long hand is on 10th and the short hand also on 10th. So pukul berapa? What time is it? It is 10 past Then okay, do you get it? Alright, so this is what you have to do. Okay, using your writing book, okay, yang buku yang panjang itu, redraw the following image in your writing book and complete the labels. Okay, sekarang ni tugasan awak adalah awak lukiskan clock face ini di buku awak, buku writing. Okay, and then you label. Okay, for example, 12. Kalau 12 ini apa kita panggil tadi? Or a clock. Okay, kalau dia dekat number 1, dia jadi 5 past. Kalau dia dekat number 2, 10 past. Kalau dia number 3, quarter past. Sambunglah 20 past, 25 past, half past. Ni, this one 25 to, okay, ni 22, this one quarter to, and this one 10 to, this one 5 to. Okay, so that is your task. Okay, you can make any designs, okay, up to your liking. Suka hati awak nak buat bentuk macam mana, asalkan ada clock face dengan dia punya label. Okay, that is the first task. Okay, the second task is, okay, make 4 columns in your writing book and follow the instructions below. It is suggested to use the blank side for this activity. Kalau ada buku macam buku sains tu, macam buku writing, if I'm not mistaken, buku writing tak ada. Okay, it is okay. Okay, tapi kalau dapat yang blank side lagi cantik lah. Okay, so you have to draw a clock that shows 3 o'clock. Jadi dekat sini letaklah nombor 1. Okay, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, so you draw 1 jam. Okay, start from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 11 here. Okay, and then tunjukkan masa pukul 3. Kalau 3 o'clock, dekat mana jarum pendek dengan jarum panjang dia. Okay, and then draw a clock that shows 3:30. Number 2, you lukislah sama juga macam tadi. Tunjukkan dekat mana ada, dekat mana macam mana 3:30. Okay. Sama juga dengan number 3 and number 4. Draw a clock that shows 3:15. Tunjukkan jam menunjukkan 3:15 and draw a clock that shows 3:45. Lukiskan 1 jam menunjukkan 3:45. Okay, these 2 exercises ataupun these 2 tasks you can do, you have to do it in your writing book. Okay, I hope that you understand our lesson today. If you need to figure out more, you can always go to any websites or YouTube and learn from it. Okay, we have very limited time and I'm going to check this when school reopens. Okay, or maybe, alright, maybe you can send a picture into the Telegram group. Okay, goodbye.